SBA Publications.
Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home. This is your mentor Soni Sati, and today with me we are starting our chapter number 7, and the name of our chapter is More on MS Word 2016. So, let's learn with me. In this chapter, we will learn how to insert clip art, how to resize, stretch, crop, and position a picture. After that, formatting the word art, changing colors and giving them shadow, effects on the shapes, select, group, ungroup objects, insert footnotes and endnotes, apply page border and page color, how to insert word art, shapes, symbols, header and footer, and how to change case of the text. So let's start with B without any delay. Here we have some question in warm-up exercise which you people have to do by yourself with the help of the concept which we have discussed in the previous chapter. Now we have the very first topic of this chapter, inserting clip art and pictures. So हम clip art को insert करना और pictures को insert करना सीखेंगे. A Word document looks dull if it has only text. अगर आपके एक डॉक्यूमेंट में सिर्फ टेक्स्ट होगा so it will look dull. वो अट्रैक्टिव तो नहीं लगेगा. Pictures make a document more interesting and attractive. In MS Word 2016, we can insert pictures of our preference, choice at the desired place. हम अपनी इच्छा से desired place पे desired choice के according अलग अलग पिक्चर्स इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव क्लिप आर्ट. व्हाट इज क्लिप आर्ट? नाउ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड कम्स विद अ रेडीमेड पिक्चर गैलरी नोन एज क्लिप आर्ट. सो एमएस वर्ड हमें एक अवेल कराता है फैसिलिटी, दैट इज कि उसके पास रेडीमेड पिक्चर्स होती है, रेडीमेड पिक्चर गैलरी जिसको हम क्लिप आर्ट कहते हैं. दैट कंसिस्ट ऑफ सेवरल कैटेगरीज ऑफ क्लिप्स, जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे टाइप्स की क्लिप्स होती है. ओके, नाउ हियर वी हैव सम स्टेप्स सो वी कैन इंसर्ट अ क्लिप आर्ट. सो स्टेप नंबर 1 इज क्लिक द इंसर्ट टैब ऑन द रिबन. रिबन में इंसर्ट टैब पे जाएंगे. देन स्टेप 2 सेज क्लिक क्लिप आर्ट. यहाँ पे आपको क्लिप आर्ट पे जाना है. ओके, सो वो होगा हमारे पास इलस्ट्रेशन ग्रुप में. ओके, The clip art task pane appears on the right side of the screen. So आपकी right side of the screen पे आपको clip art का दिख जाएगा विंडो. ओके, एक छोटा सा विंडो दिख जाएगा. Now step 3 is type the name of the clip you want in the search for box. For example, cartoon, and click the go button. Many pictures appear. So अगर आपको अपनी इंटरेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चाहिए क्लिप, so you have to write here whatever you want, like Doraemon, like cartoon, okay, like a girl, like a boy, and you will see there are so many pictures related to that searched word. Okay, then you have to click here go. So many pictures will appear on the screen and then you have to click it, select it. Okay, step 4 is select any picture of your choice and click on it. After that we can see that this inserts the clip art on our document. Now we have picture. So how we add pictures in our document? So we can insert pictures from a file also in our document. So हम फाइल में existing किसी भी पिक्चर को भी insert कर सकते हैं अपने document में. See how? Here we have some steps. Step number 1 says click the insert tab on the ribbon. So basically आप जब भी insert करते हैं तो mainly आपको insert tab में ही जाना है. So ribbon में insert tab में जाएंगे. Then we will click picture. Okay, and that is present on illustration group. After that insert picture dialog box क्या होगा? Appear होगा. And then you have to select the picture from the desired location. So you have to browse the location. आपको ढूंढना है कि वो कहाँ पे है. and then you have to select the picture, then click insert button. Okay, now we can see that the picture gets inserted. Picture जो होगी वो insert हो जाएगी हमारे document में. We can drag and place it as some other place also. So अगर insert होने के बाद हम चाहते हैं कि इस picture को हमें यहाँ से कहीं और रखना है तो हम उसे भी कर सकते हैं. When we click on an inserted picture, जब भी हम inserted picture पे click करेंगे, 4 small circles like this appear at the corners. Corners पे 4 circle appear होते हैं. See, okay. At the center of, and 4 small squares appear at the center of each side of the picture. And 4 हमें squares होते हैं center of side of the pictures. Okay, like इस center के side में. Okay. Now here we have resizing. So to do resizing, we have to understand this point first. That's why we learned it. Now see, to resize the picture, click and drag any of the circles at the corner of the picture inward and outward. So आपको basically इस circle पे click करना है and drag करना है. In करेंगे तो ये छोटा हो जाएगा and इसको out करेंगे तो ये बड़ा हो जाएगा. So what we are doing here, we are resizing. Okay, we are changing the size. Now stretching. To do stretching, we have to click and drag these corners. Okay, corners of center of the picture. So to stretch the picture, click and drag any of the squares at the center of each side of the picture. So center के जो corner हैं, आपको उन वाले squares को click करना है, then drag करना है, stretch करना है, and you will see that picture is stretched. You have to drag it inward or outward. Okay. Now we have the third thing is cropping. Okay. So what are the steps to do cropping? Cropping means size को काट देना, छोटा कर देना. Okay, but काट कर. Okay. So step 1 is double click on the picture. सबसे पहले आपको picture पे double click करना है. Then you have to go to the crop option from the size group of format tab. So उसके बाद आपको format tab में आना है, picture format. Okay. यहाँ पे आपको size group में जाना है. This is your size group, and then you have to click on crop. Now click and drag the handle inward to hide the part of the picture you do not want to show and press enter. So उसके बाद आप देखेंगे एक छोटे छोटे rectangle and corners पे ऐसे symbol आ जाएंगे. Okay, अब आपको इन्हें जहाँ से भी crop करना है वहाँ से आपको इसे inward drag करना है, and you will see the picture has been cropped, and then you have to do press of enter key. Okay, now we have positioning. So as the name is saying, यहाँ पे हम position change करेंगे. Okay, so what are the steps? Step number 1 is double click on the picture. So firstly double click on the picture simply, and then click position from the arrange group. So आपको उसके बाद यहाँ पे arrange group दिखेगा, and then वहाँ से आपको position पे click करना है, and you will see there are so many options. Like आप center पे चाहते हैं, upward, downward, bottom. Okay, so select the desired position from the gallery that appears, and this is that gallery. Okay, now we have inserting word art. So basically word art is an option in Microsoft Word that is used to insert attractive text in a document. So basically document को more attractive करने के लिए जो हम text लिख रहे हैं हम उसको edit कर सकते हैं, format कर सकते हैं, but there are some already ready-made or we can say prepared word, okay, text that we can insert in our document to make our document attractive. Okay, with the help of word art we can type text in different styles. So अगर हम word art की help ले रहे हैं so हम text को different styles में लिख सकते हैं. We can use it to create colored, shadowed or rotate text. Now we have some steps to insert word art in our document. So step number 1 is click the insert tab on the ribbon. Again, while we are inserting, so you have to use only insert tab. Now then click word art from the text group. So आपको text group से word art पे जाना है. You can see here is the word art. Now step 3 says select the style of your choice. A box appears with your text here written inside the selected style. So आपको जो भी style में आपको text चाहिए, you have to select that. And you will see in the screen your text here typed sentence will appear. Okay. Now press delete key and type the text. So आप delete करेंगे ताकि ये written text delete हो जाए, and then you will type the text whatever you want to type. Now for example India and anywhere outside the box. And अगर आपको उसके बाद text insert करना है, so you will simply write outside of this box. How? You have to just go to the next line. Okay, insertion point will come to the next line and then you have to write the text. This insert the word art text in your document. This is how we can insert word art text. Now we have formatting word art. अब हम word art को भी format कर सकते हैं, edit कर सकते हैं. See how? Once we have inserted a word art in a document, we can format the text. When we insert a word art in a document, format tab appears on the ribbon. So, जब हम word art को insert कर लेते हैं document में, तब एक format tab appear होता है ribbon में. Okay? Let us learn to use some commands of the word art style group and their effects on the text. So चलो अब हम कुछ commands देखते हैं word art styles की, so that we can understand their effects on the text. Here we have command and their use and original text and effect on the text. So command text fill is used to change the color of the text. So basically ये text का color change करेगा. For example, this is India, that is original text, and effect on the text will look like this. Okay. Text outline. Change the width, line style, and outline color of each character of the text. Basically यहाँ पे आपके पास text की outlining हो जाती है. Okay. So for example, this is India, and here we can see that outlining has been done to the India. Now text effect. Apply a visual effect to the text such as shadow, reflection or 3D rotation. So basically यहाँ पे आपको effects मिलते हैं बहुत सारे, like shadow, like reflection or 3D rotation. So see, the original text was like this, and this is the shadow India, shadow text. Okay. Now text style. Change the existing style of the text. Here we have India, and here we are changing the style of the word, style of the text. Now we have inserting shapes. How we can insert shapes in a document. Take a look at these figures. These are called shapes. We know these are called shapes. Okay. We do not need to draw them. So basically हमें shapes को draw करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है MS Word में. There are a group of ready-made shapes provided by MS Word. So हमारे पास ready-made shapes provided होते हैं from the MS Word. That can be inserted directly into a document. There are different types of shape like lines, basic shapes, block arrows, equation, shapes, flowchart, stars, banners, and callouts. Okay, so these were the shapes which we can insert them directly. Now we have some steps to insert shapes in our document. So step number 1 is click the insert tab on the ribbon. Now click shapes from the illustration group. So illustration groups में आपको shapes पे जाना है. A gallery with different groups of shapes appear. एक gallery open होगी जहाँ पे आपको different shapes दिखेगी. Click on the shape and drag to draw it on the document. So आपको shape पे click करना है and then you have to drag it on the work area so that the shape has been drawn. Now we have, when you draw the shape, a new format tab automatically appears. So basically आप जैसे ही shape को draw करते हैं, then you will see कि एक shape format या फिर format tab करके ribbon पे एक नया tab open हो जाता है. Now it displays the drawing tools to format the shape you have drawn. So basically इस drawing को, इस shape को और enhance करने के लिए हमारे पास different tools आते हैं उस tab पे. Now we are given with our activity number 1, match the following, that you people have to do by yourself. Here we have some pictures and their use. You have to match them. Okay. Now we have changing shape color. How we can change the color of shape. Follow the given steps to change the color of the shape. Step number 1, double click on the shape to select it. So basically हमें पता है सबसे पहले हम उस shape को select करेंगे जिसका हमें color change करना है. Then go to the format tab and then click shape fill from the shape style group. So आपको shape style group में जाना है and then shape fill पे click करना है. Color palette appear होगा. Color palette खुल जाएगा, आप देखेंगे वहाँ पे different color होंगे and then you have to choose any color from the color palette. The shapes get filled with that color. Here we can see that this is the picture of circle, and when we are filling the color here, we are choosing green color, so we can see the circle is in green color, filled with green color. Now we have shape effect. Follow the given steps to add effects on the shape. So we can add even effects on our shape. See how? Step number 1 is double click on the shape to select it. So basically आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना होता है, shape को select करना होता है. Then you have to go to the format tab. Then click shape effect from the shape style. Then आपको shape style group पे जाना है and वहाँ पे shape effect को click करना है. A drop down list appears और उसके बाद आप देखेंगे कि एक drop down list appear होगी जहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे option दिखेंगे. For example, shadow. So if you are using shadow, you will see that the picture is having no shadow. The shape is having no shadow. Step 4 is select the style you want and then simply enter. Now we have selecting and grouping objects and shape. So we know the process of selecting the things. Okay. But now we can do grouping, selecting and grouping also. So see here, look at these 3 different objects, shapes. Here we can see these are the shapes. We can select all of them and stack them together. So basically हम जब select करते हैं, copy cut paste करते हैं, then we use only a single shape. But we can even select so many shapes together and then we can format them. Then we can change their position, we can copy them, we can cut them, we can paste them. So, and then group them as one. See how? So, to group the objects, shapes, we have to follow these steps. Step number 1 is first stack them or place them as you would want them to be by using the mouse. By using the mouse, select the objects using the left mouse button and control key. So basically आपको क्या करना है, फर्स्ट प्रोसीजर इज आपको जिस तरीके से वो चाहिए आपको उस तरीके से उन्हें रखना पड़ेगा, प्लेस करना पड़ेगा. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ द माउस पॉइंटर यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट इट, ड्रैग इट एंड यू हैव टू प्लेस देम एज यू वांट. नाउ यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट देम. नाउ 1 2 3. सो हाउ यू कैन सेलेक्ट इट? You have to go to the shape and you have to click it. Then you have to press the control key. Then you have to go to the second shape. Then again click. You have to hold the control key. Then you have to go to the third shape. And after selecting the third shape, you have to leave the control key. Okay. Now you can see that all the things are selected. Now you have to copy them. Okay. Now right click on the object from the shortcut menu. Click group and select group. So basically you can copy and you can do the grouping also. Then you have to do the right click. For the grouping you have to use right click of the mouse. You will see this kind of dialog box will appear. Here you have to go to the group. Okay. And you will see here group and ungroup both are the options. You have to select on the group option and you will see all these three are grouped together. You will see all the objects are grouped together Now try dragging and moving them. They will move as one object. Now अगर आप उसे मूव करेंगे, कहीं पे लेके जाएंगे, रिसाइज करेंगे, you will see they all are grouped together. वो सब कुछ एक साथ ही होगा. Now here we have steps to ungroup it. Step number 1 is right click on the object, a shortcut menu appears. And step 2 is click on group and select ungroup option. The objects get ungrouped. So basically right click करेंगे, shortcut menu appear होगा, and then you have to go to the group and then ungroup option. Now we have inserting symbols. Have a look at these images. They are neither pictures from clip art nor figures from shapes. So basically यहाँ पे कुछ given स्पेशल इमेजेस दी गई है जो कि ना ही एक क्लिप आर्ट है और ना ही कोई शेप है. सो व्हाट आर दीज? दीज आर नोन एज सिंबल. दीज आर स्पेशल सिंबल्स दैट आर नॉट फाउंड ऑन द कीबोर्ड आल्सो. अब हमें पता है कि कीबोर्ड में भी कुछ सिंबल्स होते हैं, ओके, बट ये कुछ ऐसे स्पेशल सिंबल्स हैं जो कि कीबोर्ड में भी नहीं अवेलेबल होते हैं. We can insert different types of symbols in MS Word 2016. Follow the given steps to add symbols. So how to add symbols? We have to follow these steps. Place the cursor where you want to insert the symbol. जहाँ पे आपको insert करना है symbol, उस वहाँ पे आपको अपना cursor ले जाना है. Click the insert tab. Now you have to click on the insert tab. Then you have to go to the symbol option. From the symbols group, a list of symbol appears. आपको symbol की list appear होगी. Then you have to select the symbol what you require. Now you will see the symbol inserted at the position of the cursor. After that we have another topic of this chapter, that is header and footer. So as the name is saying of these heading, that is header and footer. So head is here and foot are there. So basically header means the top of the paper, okay, top of the document, and footer is the bottom of the document. So the header is the section of the document which appears at the top margin, while the footer is the section of the document which appears at the bottom of margin, okay. Now we can insert page numbers, date, a company's logo, document title, file name in the header and the footer area. So basically जब हमें किसी इंस्टीट्यूट के कहीं के नोट्स मिलते हैं, कोई कॉपी या फिर बुक मिलती है, so we see that they have their logo on the top or the bottom, okay, at the header place or the bottom place. There are some books which page numbers are written on the top, and there are some books whose page number are written at the bottom. So basically these are nothing but header and footer area. These are normally printed at the top or bottom of each page in a document. So आप book को भी देखते हैं कि ये सब चीजें हर पेज पे होता है, आपके डॉक्यूमेंट के हर पेज पे होता है. Now follow the given steps to insert header. Click the insert tab, then click header from the header and footer group. So basically insert tab में जाएंगे, then आपको जाना है header पे, और ये आपका ग्रुप होता है header and footer वाला, okay. Now header पे जाएंगे, then a gallery will appear, and then you have to select the style of your choice कि आपको कैसा header चाहिए. Step number 4. Now type the text you want at the top of each page. So basically आपको हर पेज पे टॉप पे जो भी टेक्स्ट चाहिए, लोगो चाहिए, पेज नंबर चाहिए, डेट चाहिए, you can write there. Now click close header and footer from the close group of design tab. Then you have to go to the design tab and then you have to choose close, okay. So आप देखेंगे कि आपका header and footer का ऑप्शन क्लोज हो जाएगा. Now how to insert footer? See, we have seen steps to insert footer. Go to the insert tab, then you have to click on footer from the header and footer group. So header and footer में अब आपको footer पे जाना है. Then a gallery will appear. Choose the style of your choice and then type the text for the footer. Click close header and footer from the close group of design tab. Now we have the steps to insert page number. So click the insert tab, basically insert tab पे जाएंगे, then go to the page number from the header and footer group. Again आपको header and footer group पे जाना है, then you have to select on page number. A drop down list appears and then you have to select the location of the page number. So basically आप page number कहाँ पे चाहते हैं और किस style में चाहते हैं. Then you have to select the style you want and click close header and footer from the close group of design tab. So basically आपको then स्टाइल चूज करना है, लाइक आपको ऐसा स्टाइल चाहिए, ऐसा स्टाइल चाहिए, ऐसा स्टाइल चाहिए, एंड देन यू हैव टू गो टू द क्लोज फ्रॉम द डिजाइन टैब. नाउ वी हैव footnote and endnote. So footnote and endnote are inserted in a document to explain, comment or provide references for the text in a document. Basically कई बार होता है कि हमारे पास जो डॉक्यूमेंट है उसमें हमने जो टेक्स्ट लिखा है, कंटेंट लिखा है, हमें शो करना है कि हमने किस रेफरेंस पे लिखा है, किस बेसिस पे लिखा है. दीज आर नोन एज अ कमेंट ऑल्सो. ओके, सो टू एक्सप्लेन इट और टू प्रोवाइड अ कमेंट वी यूज footnote and endnote. Now footnote is placed at the end of the page in a document. So footnote कहाँ पे होता है? End of the page पे. And endnote is placed at the end of the whole document. And endnote जो होता है, as per the name it is saying, at the end of the document. It is placed at the end of the document. Basically अगर आपकी बुक है और आप उसमें footnote and endnote को place कर रहे हैं, so footnote is जो आप हर पेज के लास्ट में लिखेंगे. Okay, there are some books, they have keywords, so that are placed on the footnote. And endnote are like answer keys, which we write in the end of the book. A footnote or an endnote consists of two parts, note reference mark and corresponding note text. So footnote और endnote जो होते हैं वो two parts में consist होते हैं, two part में होते हैं. C, note reference mark and corresponding note text. What are these? The note reference mark is placed next to the word in a document and the separator line separates the main text from the footnote and endnote text. So basically जो note reference mark होता है, note reference mark होता है, ये हम जहाँ पे भी टेक्स्ट होता है उसी के साथ में लिखते हैं. बेसिकली अगर मुझे इसे एक्सप्लेन करना है, सो वी आर राइटिंग हियर एंड दिस टेक्स्ट इज सेपरेटेड बाय द लाइन्स. ओके, फॉलो द गिवन स्टेप्स टू इंसर्ट अ फुटनोट. प्लेस द कर्सर वेयर यू वांट टू इंसर्ट द फुटनोट. सो सबसे पहले आपको कर्सर लेके आना है जहाँ पे आपको फुटनोट करना है. देन क्लिक ऑन द रेफरेंस टैब, go to the reference tab, then go to the insert footnote option from the footnotes group. Word inserts the note reference mark. वहाँ पे आपको note reference mark पे जाना है. Okay, insert करना है. Place the cursor in the text area of the footnote. Enter the text you want as footnote, and then we will see that the thing is done. See here, this is separated by the line. Okay, so for example, we are explaining anything, we are writing here one and here is the definition of that one. Similarly, you can insert and endnote using insert endnote command from the footnotes group of reference tab. So इसी तरीके से हम reference tab में जाकर footnotes पे जाके insert endnote command से endnote भी place कर सकते हैं, apply कर सकते हैं. Now how to change case? Changing case. So here what case refers to? The type of text like small case, uppercase, okay, lowercase. Imagine that we have typed an entire page in small letters and now we want the content of this page in capital letter. So basically हमें imagine करना है कि हमने एक document prepare किया है जिसमें हमने लोअर केस में ही सारा टेक्स्ट लिख दिया, सारा कंटेंट लिख दिया, एंड हम चाहते हैं कि इसके जो लेटर्स हैं वो कैपिटल लेटर्स में. ओके, सो वी डोंट हैव टू रीटाइप द एंटायर पेज अगेन. सो हमें वापस रीटाइप नहीं करना है एंटायर पेज को. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे पास एक ऑप्शन है टू चेंज द केस. we will just have to use the change case option. Uppercase means capital letters and lowercase means small letter. There are 5 change case option in MS Word 2016. Here we have the changing case option and what their effect will be on the text. Sentence case क्या करेगा? It will capitalize the first character in the sentence. Sentence का जो first character होगा, whatever the sentence is, the first character will be capitalized only. Now lowercase will convert all the selected characters to the lowercase. आप छोटे छोटे alphabets लिख रहे हैं, okay? छोटे means not a size but the case, okay? Like small a, small b, small letters. Now uppercase will convert all the text to the uppercase. Capitalize each word option will capitalize the first letter of each word and leave the other letters lowercase. Basically आपके sentence में जितने भी words होंगे उनका first letter capitalize हो जाएगा. And toggle case is different of, like it is opposite of capitalize each word. It reverse the existing case of the text. Basically reverse कर देगा जो भी आपका existing text है उसका. Now follow the given steps to apply any change case option on the text. So अगर आपको इसे apply करना है, what you have to do? Firstly, select the text, then go to the home tab and after that change case. Go and click to the change case from the font group and select the required option from the list. And you will see that your case of the text is changed. Now we have activity 2 of this chapter. Rearrange the letter to get different change case option. You have to rearrange them and then you have to write the letter, the words here. Okay. Now we have page border. So basically we can apply different types of borders to our pages. Okay. So आपने कभी देखा होगा कि काफ़ी सारी बुक्स ऐसी होती है जिनकी borders बहुत सुंदर सुंदर होते हैं. They have some print on them. Okay. This option places lines around the page. So basically ये lines के लिए और different pattern के लिए use होता है. To apply page border, follow the given steps. Click the page layout tab. So basically आपको कहाँ जाना है? Layout tab पे जाना है. Page layout tab पे. Then page border from the page background group the borders and shading. So basically उसके बाद आपको जाना है page background option पे. After that you have to go to the borders and shading dialog box which will appear on the screen. With page border, tap open default. So then you have to go to the page border options and आपको आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे page border हैं. Okay. Here we have page border and you will see there's so many kind of page border. Choose the style, color and width for the border. So basically अब आपको customize करना है अपना border. Step 4, click on the OK button and this will make the page look according to the option you have chosen. Now you can view the look of your page in the preview section and you can go to the preview section to look at the page. Like आपको फिर दिखेगा कि आपने कैसा border apply किया है. Now we have page color. We can even change the page color also. We can also apply a color to the entire page in MS Word 2016. Follow the given steps to apply page border. Step number 1 is click page layout tab. So basically page layout पे जाइए. Then click page color. और वो कहाँ पे होगा आपका? Page background group में. After that, choose any color from the color palette. Then आपको कोई भी color choose करना है color palette से. And then you will see the effect of the page. You will see the pages of that kind of color which you have chosen. See here, we are choosing blue color and we can see the pages in the blue color. Now we have key points of this chapter. So let's learn them. Let's quick re-memorize them. So clip art is a gallery of ready-made pictures that can be inserted directly in the document. क्लिप आर्ट बेसिकली रेडीमेड गैलरी होती है जहाँ पे हमारे पास बहुत सारी इमेजेस होती है जिसे हम इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. रीसाइजिंग मेक्स अ पिक्चर स्मॉलर, लार्जर. स्ट्रेचिंग मेक्स अ पिक्चर लॉन्गर एंड ब्रॉडर. रीसाइजिंग से हम साइज को चेंज कर सकते हैं, स्मॉल या बिग बना सकते हैं. ओके. एंड स्ट्रेचिंग मेक्स अ पिक्चर लॉन्गर एंड ब्रॉडर, लाइक लंबी और चौड़ी. Okay. Now cropping means to cut off a part of the picture. Cropping से क्या होगा, हमारे पिक्चर का कोई पार्ट कट हो सकता है. Word art is used to insert attractive text in a document. Shapes are the group of ready-made shapes that can be inserted directly on our document. Header and footer are, we do the header at the top and the bottom at the footer. Okay, so header and footer are the areas on top and the bottom margin of each page. Now footnote and endnote are inserted in a document to explain, comment or to provide references for the text in a document basically. Now there are 5 change case options that can be applied on a text in a document. We know uppercase, lowercase, okay, and so many more. 3 more are there. Now we can apply different types of borders and color to our page also. So हम different type of border and colors भी apply कर सकते हैं अपने document में pages में. After that we have completed our chapter. On the basis of this chapter and the explanation, you have to do this exercise, the back exercise of this chapter, in which we have so many questions which you people will do by yourself. So now by here we have completed our chapter. I hope each and every concept of this chapter is totally clear to you. If you found any query in any topic of this chapter, please go once again to this video so that your concepts are totally clear. Now I will meet you in the next video with another amazing chapter. Till then, keep on learning, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.